Meet the Saiga antelope, a creature that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Here are 5 incredible facts about these unique animals. Fact number 1, that big weird nose isn't just for show, it's an air filter. Saigas use it to warm and clean the air they breathe, especially in dusty or cold environments. Fact number 2, saigas are fast. They can sprint at speeds up to 50 miles per hour to escape predators like wolves. Fact number 3, these antelopes are survival experts. They live in harsh, open landscapes like the steppes of Central Asia, where temperatures can be extreme. Fact number 4, saiga calves are born ready to run. Within just a few days of birth, they can keep up with the herd. Fact number 5, saigas are critically endangered mainly due to poaching and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique antelopes. From their funky noses to their incredible speed, saigas are truly one of a kind. Share these amazing facts and help spread awareness about this remarkable species.